I have several large juniper bushes in my yard. They have morning glory and poison ivy or oak growing up through them. What can I do to remove the morning glories and poison ivy from my junipers? This is Miss Cindy. All right, Jola, what do you think?
Yeah, I see the poison ivy too. But you know, pulling them out, getting some nice long sleeves and gloves and make sure you've got covered, and carefully pulling or cutting off those vines and pulling them out. And then maybe taking some glyphosate and painting on the base of them. That's what I would do, pull them out, because you know, junipers there are things you can spray on them, but you're gonna have to keep spraying it. It would be easier to get them out of there and just treat the stump that's left. I mean, you don't have to pull it from the roots out of there, but put some glyphosate on that part. Or if you want to, so I've known people who pulled vines out of juniper and then sprayed the vine after they pulled it out of the juniper and then let it die and then got rid of it.
Oh, okay.
It's just,
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Not for love.
to pull it out,
Yeah,
get it away from the juniper and then spray it.
I got
Okay.
you. Okay.
Yeah, I've done that myself,
Yeah.
especially Virginia creeper.
Yeah, Virginia creeper.
Yeah, I
for
have
sure.
a lot of problems with it in my beds.
So anything you want to add to that, Doc? Can you do the same
No,
thing for the
she's
most part?
covered it
Okay.
real well. Yeah, I think she's right. I'd hand pull all that stuff and just try to get that darn morning glory before it starts setting
Yeah, morning
seeds.
glory is tough. Yeah,
Yeah,
it says
setting the
seeds. You're gonna
seeds
have a problem.
everywhere, yeah.
You have a problem there. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.